Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy. Mini video edition.
Newark, Starwood 1991 on 29.
Yeah, 1991 right there, wind 1204, runway 29, clear land.
29, clear to land, 1991.
Breaking 3583, depart, see ya.
Oh yeah, we got him. We got him. We got Lufthansa in the house. Oh yeah, Lufthansa's arriving. Finally, the B747-830 from Frankfurt. Yes, yes, yes. Ow, I didn't realize my wrist was hurting. Oh yes.
Break 3047, Whiskey 2, left at Whiskey 2, and then join Yankee, kind of ground.
Whiskey 2, Yankee, join ground, sir, 1347.
And there's Tower United 78 Heavy is intercepting the ILS 22 left.
And
United 78 Heavy,
stole
number
the
3
shot.
of the Airbus 319, wind 1304, runway 22 left, clear land.
Little land 2 left, we're looking United 78 Heavy.
And traffic is also in holding position 22 left.
United 78 Heavy, that's it.
Yeah, 2359 return, traffic on a 12 mile final, runway 22 left, Whiskey lines away. 5.22 left at Whiskey United 2359, top of traffic. Yeah, 1991 GT and Max 4 speed.
Max 4 with speed, 1991.
Delta 2026, are you starting your turn?
Delta 26 in the turn at this time.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that B747, y'all.
Also on the 4th, heavy right pop, kind of ground. Lufthansa 402, right Papa, and further withdraw. Yeah, 2359 traffic, 10 mile final, wind is 130 at 5, runway 22 left, switch, clear for takeoff. 2 left at Whiskey, clear takeoff, United 2359.
I was filming FedEx and then Lufthansa arrives.
Yeah, 1991 East Square, base 35 right now.
Roger, square, base 35, 1991. Base 1991.
So you're for the heavy was here, it's a 737 Silver Park, number 2 behind them.
Roger, 1991.
New York Tower, United 2058 ILS, RNAV Whiskey 29. Yeah, 2058 New York Tower, number 3 field traffic, 7 mile follow, 787, landing 22 left. Wind is 1206, runway 29, clear to land. It's like United 2058, clear to land 29. Yeah, 7 heavy, reduced speed to 160.
160 knots, United 78 Heavy.
United 91, yeah, I need you to make a square your base to enter or 3 mile right base, just square your turn to final.
We square, 1991.
Tough.
359 at departure. Yeah, 2059 departure, yeah. United 91, final pro speed for 98 also.
Say again for United 78 Heavy.
No, not for you. Sir, helicopter 3, Bravo Lima, Bruce pad ready to take off, landing Carney 6500. 3 Bravo Lima, North wind 1206, Bruce pad clear for takeoff, depart straight northbound. Straight northbound, clear for takeoff, 3 Bravo Lima.
Friendly reminder, if you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you, and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, Please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation.
Delta Point 26, left Yankee kind of ground.
Yankee ground, Delta Point 26.
That Lufthansa
Hey,
is
Bravo
so
Lima, radar contact 400,
pretty.
traffic 3 mile follow, 787, 1400, reporting site.
10-7, step 3, Bravo Lima.
Look at that.
Tower United 125 heavy outside of Eco, RNF Whiskey 29.
Data 125 in your Italian number, actually, wind is 1206, 29 clear line.
Where to land, United 125 heavy.
Hey, Bravo Lima, you got that heavy in sight?
Hey, firm, we got him inside Midfield, step 3, Bravo Lima.
Hey, Bravo Lima, maintain real separation, Causeway Terminus. We should get behind him, direct to Carney.
Behind him, direct Carney, 3, Bravo Lima.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah, 1991, left side Yankee kind of ground.
Yankee ground, along. And 3, Bravo Lima is landing at Street Carney.
Hey, Bravo Lima, radar switch terminate, squawk V4, frequency change approved.
Block and switch 3, Bravo Lima. Air Tower, breaker 3415, outside of Eco, RNAV, Whiskey 29er.
Breaker 3415, right side, wind 140 at 5, runway 29, clear line.
Runway 29er, clear to land, breaker 3415.
Hey, caution, wake turbulence, follow 767.
Roger.
That Lufthansa is something else. United, no!
You know, 70 heavy is kind of ground.
Ground.
There we go.
Towers, Berlin 125 with you to RNAV 29 with
Spirit 125, Spirit, just contact at United 125, in the free, wind 1205, 29, clear line.
the land, runway 29, Berlin is 125.
And the transponder is off for Lufthansa. If I'm correct, it has fully parked. A few more minutes. We'll kill it at the 4-hour mark. We got to see what we wanted to see. And I'm proud of that. And I gotta get ready to go home because the sun's about to set. And I'm hungry. I did not eat all day. A few more won't hurt. Ooh. Thank you for watching today's presentation, and please have a blessed day.